Today I'm going to be reviewing the Aspectek Insect Bug Zapper. This is a 20-watt bug zapper. Take a look. I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like. On the top here, you could see it has two little hooks up top. Also, what is included in your pack, you do get a little chain link. So simply hook these on there and you could simply hang this product. Or if you like, you could just lay it on the counter. You are able to just simply place it on a counter and it could stay that way. Or if you like, I do like that option was included. You do get the chain link if you want to go ahead and hang it up in a room, in a garage, anywhere like that. Also included in your package, you do get an additional 2 extra bulbs. So as you could see here, it already comes with 2, but it does come with 2 replacement bulbs. So I do like that was included. I'm going to show you down here is the tray. So once you turn it on and it starts working and bugs start falling on here, you could simply just remove the tray and then throw that away in the trash. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and show you what it looks like and how it works. So simply, it is so simple. Just simply plug it in and then turn it on right here. So take a look. It is on, ready to go, perfect for use. Start zapping bugs immediately. I would definitely recommend.